Have you ever worried that someone might steal your phone and turn off the internet so you cannot find it? Fortunately, your Galaxy S25 Ultra has a smart feature that helps protect your phone in that situation. It's called offline device lock. When this feature is on, your phone will automatically lock the screen if it stays offline for a while. This is useful because many thieves try to turn off Wi-Fi or mobile data right away after stealing a phone. To set it up, go to Settings, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Security and Privacy. Tap Security and Privacy. Tap Lost Device Protection. Next, tap Protection. Under the screen locking section, enable offline device lock. A pop-up will appear explaining that your phone will lock the screen if it stays offline, and this can happen up to 2 times a day. Tap Turn On to activate it. And that's it. Now, if your phone ever goes offline unexpectedly, it will lock itself automatically. If your device isn't stolen, you can simply unlock it as usual. It's a small step that could really protect your data if the worst happen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.